some lunch, making some butternut squash and chicken and some rice. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how I cook the butternut squash. I start off by adding the garlic and the ginger to a pan of oil, about a teaspoon of oil, and I let that cook for a few seconds. Then I go ahead and I add the chicken, the seasoned chicken, and I let that cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Here's where I add some of my cut up seasonings, not all of it. I start by adding some onions, then I add a little bit of scallions and a little bit of bell peppers, and I stir it all up and I cover the pot down for an additional 5 minutes and let it cook. Alright, so now I'm going to add the butternut squash to the cooked chicken, and I'm going to stir that up for a little bit. Then I added some coconut milk to this because this is what gave it a very nice flavor. So if you're going to try this, definitely use coconut milk in it. I do not know how much I added because I don't really go by measurements. I just go by what I want to add. So I stirred that up and let that cook for an additional maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I added some more seasonings and some cubes. You can add salt to taste. So yeah. So now that it's a little bit softer, I went ahead and added all of the remainder of the onions and all of the other seasonings that I had, and I added some other flavoring elements to it, some pepper and a little bit of black pepper, and that's about it. And I stirred it up, covered it down, and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes, and that was how I made my butternut squash. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick video, and if you do try it out, let me know how it came out. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. To my old subscribers, thank you for sticking around. To my new subscribers, welcome. Please feel free to share your thoughts and opinions. Just no profanities or rude stuff. God bless, and I will see you in another video very soon. Enjoy.